Did you ever wonder, is there any other way to win a hype sneaker except the sneakers app, the Nike sneakers app, other website, foot site, and the exact day or shock drop or something else? Yes, there is other way, but it is kinda little bit hard because this is the raffle. For me, I don't really believe in raffle, but why not join? So today I'm gonna break the myth that I haven't been won on raffles. Okay, alright, so let's see. Okay, here we go. I was kinda surprised when I saw this. It's in October 29 and clothing 317. So I said, whoo, there's the charges from End Clothing. Did I won the raffle? But then I can't remember what shoe or sneaker that I won because I joined a lot of raffle. But you can see it hasn't opened yet. And on the package right here, origin and clothing North Tiny side. Well, no, United Kingdom. Okay. So it's not always you can buy something in the US, you can diverse or buy somewhere else, and that's the case of winning a raffle. And surprise, surprise, let's take him out on the bag. Okay. There we go. And actual bags, and I hope this one what I was thinking. I'm kinda excited. Okay, the moment of truth. What did we want on the End Clothing raffle? Ooh, I see already. That hole right there. That hole right there. We already know. And it is size 11. It's not my size. Oh, that's why I put on the size UK. I forgot. Sometimes you have to put on the size if it's my size 10 and a half. I should put on 10 or 11. I can't remember, but hey, I still want something. Okay, we got here the Air Jordan 5 Retro SP, and you already familiar with the boxes. It is the all white. Can't remember the retail on this one, but how much did I pay? 300 something. But the thing is, if I buy on something in UK, I have to pay for additional things, something like that. But it is worth it. That's why I still joined the raffle, because I knew even though if I'm gonna resell it or what, or I'm gonna keep it, it's still a good deal, and it's still worth it. Okay. Ooh, wow. Look at those. Oh, in a word, sometimes you're lucky, sometimes you're not, and sometimes when you get lucky, you got lucky enough. I know, right? Okay, so it's like the first time holding a hand on off-white sneaker. You know, the feeling. I already got me a bunch of off-white. I got the UNC as well, but hey, wow, I'm kind of speechless, you know, speechless. Like, wow, really nice. I can't stress enough how happy I am to have this one on hand, even though they are not my size 11. It's my size 10 and a half, but I could still keep them for personal, and probably if not, then I could resell them. But still happy to have this one in the collection. And now I do believe that I could still win raffle. And too much many details on this one, you can check on the YouTube if you want more, but main thing on this video is if you really want to buy something hype sneaker, don't just rely on the sneakers app or the website, other website like the Foot site, Foot Locker. If there's other way that you could try, like the raffle, then try that. Even though it's kind of easy or something, then why not try it? There's nothing to lose. Just like this one, every time, every raffle, I'm losing. You just get used to it. If there's a raffle, then join it. If you win, good. If you lose, then move on to another sneaker. So what I'm saying is now, if you can't win the sneakers app, you can't win on the Foot Locker finish line, join the raffles, especially if you knew these sneakers are hype, and if you wanna make extra money, or if you wanna just have on the collection, it's worth it to join. Even though I said I paid extra on joining the raffle on the UK, then it's still a good deal having them in the collection. So what do you think, huh? What do you think? All right, with that said, thank you so much for joining me today. It's just been a quick unboxing on Jordan 5 Off-White. Okay, with that said, thank you for watching again. Thank you so much. If you like this video, can please leave us a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one. Peace. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye-bye.